Welcome to Berry Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious vegan and vegetarian recipes every week. If you're new to this channel, glad you could join us. Hit that subscribe button for more great content. Today we're making Sweet and Sour Tofu. This dish originated in the Hunan province in China, where the sweet and sour sauce was used as a condiment. For this recipe, we're going to need apple cider vinegar for the tanginess. Ketchup adds a complex combination of flavors. Brown sugar for the sweetness. And soy sauce for color and salt. We'll also need garlic, grated ginger, sesame seeds for garnish, 1 block of firm or extra firm tofu, dried with a paper towel, a medium onion, and 2 bell peppers. We have a variety here, so we're only going to use a little bit from each. We'll also need some cornstarch. This helps with frying the tofu, as well as creating a slurry to thicken the sauce, along with some vegetable oil, salt per your taste, along with black pepper, again to your taste. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more great content and to help support this channel. Also be sure to hit the bell icon for future upload notifications. We'll be uploading easy vegan and vegetarian recipes every week, so you don't want to miss out. Now we can go ahead and begin prepping. We'll start with the bell peppers. We'll take a slice of a green pepper and cut out the seeds and the membrane. And then we'll chop it into roughly 1-inch square pieces. We'll do likewise with the yellow pepper, as well as the red and the orange. You certainly don't need all of these peppers of different color. However, if you happen to have them, it does improve the presentation of this dish. And finally, the red. We'll go ahead and store these peppers in a bowl for later. Now we want to cut the onion into 1x1 pieces as well. In most recipes where you're stir frying, you want the ingredients to be of a uniform size. This helps the ingredients evenly distribute in the pan, in the sauce, or on the plate, so you don't have any ingredients collecting at the bottom. Once you cut the onions, you want to separate the layers. This helps them cook properly during stir fry. Set those aside with the peppers. We'll also need to mince some garlic. The easiest way to mince garlic is to smash it with the side of a knife and then give it a rocking chop. For this recipe, we'll need the tofu in 1-inch cubes. We have firm tofu here. Extra firm would work as well. We're going to slice down the middle and then the 2 sides. Then we'll take one of the pieces, lay it on the side, and cut it down the middle. And then slice it 3 times for roughly even cubes. Add the tofu to a mixing bowl and sprinkle on some corn flour. We'll go ahead and gently toss the tofu and allow it to be coated with the cornstarch. The cornstarch will help with the frying and make them nice and crispy. In a skillet over medium heat, we're going to add some oil. We won't need a lot of oil to pan fry, maybe about 2 tablespoons worth. Once the oil is hot enough, go ahead and add the tofu. As this is a medium pan, we're going to need to do this in 2 batches. We really don't want to crowd the pan. It doesn't help with the frying. We'll need to keep turning the tofu pieces and allow them to fry on all sides until they're golden and crispy. If you want to skip the pan frying, you can also do this in an air fryer. Once the tofu are fried, go ahead and take them out and put them in a bowl for cooling while you work on the next batch. We have another recipe in the works for an air-fried crispy black pepper tofu, so be on the lookout. While the tofu is cooling, we'll go ahead and make the sweet and sour sauce. We'll combine brown sugar along with ketchup, soy sauce, and apple cider vinegar. Go ahead and also add black pepper. Now whisk everything to combine. There it is. The sauce is done. We'll also go ahead and make our slurry. This is a combination of equal amounts of water and cornstarch. This is what will thicken the sauce and give it that restaurant style gloss. Now we're ready to put all the pieces together. In a wok over medium-high heat, add some oil. To it, add the garlic and the ginger, and saute for about a minute. This will give us a base flavor profile, onto which we can build the rest of our recipe. After a minute, go ahead and add the onions along with the bell peppers. Over high heat, we'll stir fry these for a few minutes until the peppers form a little bit of a charred skin and the onions brown slightly. Keep stirring everything constantly. You don't want anything to burn. Once all the onions and peppers are coated with the oil and the onions are separated, give everything a nice toss. Oh no, pepper overboard. After a few more tosses of the vegetables, we'll go ahead and add the fried tofu and continue to toss. This allows the tofu to combine evenly with the vegetables and heat up. Now we can go ahead and add the sweet and sour sauce. As the wok is hot and there is a lot of sugar in the sauce, this will caramelize nicely. Before we thicken the sauce, we want to go ahead and stir and coat all the tofu and the vegetables with the sauce. Now we'll go ahead and add the slurry. As the wok is hot and the sauce is bubbling, it should only take about 30 seconds to thicken. Keep stirring to make sure everything is coated nicely with the sauce. This is the perfect thickness. Now we can go ahead and turn off the heat and add some sesame seeds for a nice crunch. That's it. Sweet and sour tofu is ready. Look at that beautiful shine. Now we can feast. Serve it with some brown rice and some blanched bok choy for a healthy, delicious, and easy meal that is sure to please. There you have it, a Chinese classic, and a taste of Hunan province in the comfort of your own home. The tofu is still crispy and chewy around the edges. The sauce has a great fresh burst of flavor, and the peppers are still crisp with a little bit of bite to them. Just a great combination of flavors and textures. This is also a great meal prep idea. Make it on the weekend, freeze it, and have it whenever you want for a quick meal. Way better than takeout. It saves you time and money without sacrificing any flavor. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and comment below. Also subscribe to the channel for more great recipes and hit the bell icon for future notifications. If you try this recipe, please tag us on Instagram at BerryBerryLife. We'd love to hear from you. Enjoy!